Good day, everyone. Today we want to look at vector algebra. Vector algebra. Vector algebra. And the first question we are going to be looking at here will be as follows. Let's see, question 1. So we have if x, let's say if s is equals to, that is, okay, I just say a and b, comma, and y is equals to c and d. Y is equals to c and d. Find x plus y, then also find x minus y. So that is the question we are going to look at now, x plus y and x minus y. So I'm going to do this now. So let's look at it and see the answer. So first of all, let me clean this place. All right, now the first thing is to get x plus y. Now x plus y will be equal to, it means you should add this x to this y. So all you are going to do, you are going to add the top to the top side, you add the down to the downside, because this is vector in plane, because it's 2 dimension. So we can also call this place the y-axis. We can call the upper side. The upper side can be called the y-axis, while the downside can be called the j-axis as well. Also take note of that. It's important. Now x plus y will be this a plus this one, which is a plus c. Then I can say I. Then you add this plus this as well. Then this plus this now is going to give me plus b plus d. Then this one will be j. So this will be the y side. This is in terms of coordinate too. This will be the j side. This will be the x side. Or you can also do it this way. You can also do it this way as well, just as it was given in the question. You can also do it this way. You add this to this. It's a plus c. That will be a plus c. Then close it. B plus d, that will be b plus d. You can also do it that way. It's also possible. So this will be the answer. So it's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. So let's check the s minus y. Let's check for the s minus y. Let's check for the s minus y. S minus y now will be equal to the same thing. This minus this, which is a minus c. Then in downside, this minus this, b minus d. So as simple as that. So this will be x minus y. Now let's look at this. Now let's say we have this question now. If x is equals to, let's say 1, then y is equals to, let's see, 2, 1. Then what will be x plus y now for this? X plus y will be this plus this first, which is 1 plus 2. Then the downside, this plus this, which is 1 plus 1. So that will give us 1 plus 2 will give us 3. 1 plus 1 will give us 2. So as simple as that. It's as simple as that. Then whatever we have, if x is equals to minus 3, 2, then y is equals to 4 minus 1. What is, find x plus 2y. What will be x plus 2y? Now the x plus 2y will be this. Okay, let me just write it this way. To be this minus 3, 2 plus 2 times, because it's 2y, 4 minus 1 times 4 minus 1. So that'll give us minus 3 and 2 plus 2 times 4. This 2 times 4. What is that? That is 8. Then 2 times minus 1. That is minus 2. That's minus 2. So if you add this now, minus 3 plus 8. What is that one? That'll give us 5. 2 plus minus 2. That'll give us 0. 2 plus, just do 2 plus minus 2. That is 2 minus 2. That is 0. So the answer will be this, which is 5, 0. 5, 0. Let's say we have this question. If x is equals to minus 3, 2, and y is equals to 4 minus 1. Then we should find 3x minus y. You know this will be equal to 3 times x, which is this is equal to s, minus 3, 2, then minus y, and y is equals to this, 4 minus 1. So this will give us 3 times 3 minus 3, that is that, minus 9. Then 3 times 2, 3 times 2, that is 6. Then minus 4 minus 1. That will give us minus 9 minus 4. Minus 9 minus 4. What does that give us? That gives us minus, that will give us minus 13. Then 6 minus 1. How about that? Minus is equal to plus. Minus times minus, that is plus. 6 plus 1 now, that gives us 7. So we're going to have minus 13 and 7 as the answer to this particular question. Then let's look at this. If OA first, if OA is equals to minus 4, 0, and OB is equals to let's see minus 2, find AB. What will be AB? What will be this? That's the question. Now let's look at this question. Now let's look at this AB. Now listen, from line vectors, AB will be, AB is equal to AO plus OB. And it should be AB. That's from line vectors. So, and from vectors rule, OA is equals to minus AO. From rules of vectors, AB, from rules of equals to minus BA. That is properties of a vector. So properties of a vector. Now, I'm not going to use this. I'm just going to do it this way. From properties of a vector, AB is equals to B minus A. I'm just going to follow this. B minus A. So vector B is this, which is OB. Vector A is this, which is OA. Where O is the origin. O is the origin. So we are going to call OA A. We are going to call OB B. Okay, let me just solve it twice. Let me just solve it using the two methods so that you see it. We'll just solve it like this first. So we are going to have minus 2, then minus A. We have B minus A. AB, A vector AB is equal to B minus A. If I say what is vector Pn? What is vector Pn? Is equals to n minus P. The last one minus the first one. I have to quote it. So taking note of that is very, very important. So we're going to have this. We're going to have this. Then minus A. What is A? A is minus 4 and 0. So that is going to give us minus 2 minus. Take note of all these signs. Very, very important. Minus 2 minus minus 4. That will be minus 2 minus is plus 4. Minus 2 plus 4. Then minus 2 here. Plus, okay, now minus 0. Minus 0 for the downside. So I'm going to have minus 2 plus that is 2. Minus 2 minus 0, that is minus 2. That's minus 2. So this will be the answer. And now let's solve it this other way. Remember we got 2 and minus 2. So let's solve it in this second way so that you also see this other method. So let's take a look at it. And I told you that AB is equals to AO minus plus OB. So what is AO? Because we have OA, not AO. So what is this AO? That is AO. We have OA, not AO. So AO is same thing as minus OA. Minus OA. Same thing as this. From the rules of vector field, if this one is a vector now, is equal to this. For vector, so now look at the meaning of this. So I'm going to have minus. That will be equal to minus. What is OA? OA is minus 4 minus 0. So minus times minus, that will give us plus. That will give us plus 4. Minus times minus, that will give us plus 0, and minus 0 is the same thing. So AO let me move on to the side, is equal to this. Take note of that. So let's go back now. Let's go back. We already know AO is opposite of we just multiply that other sign, that one by minus sign to get the equivalent. So we just multiply this one by negative sign. We're going to have minus, that is 4. Our AO now, we said, okay, let me write it here. We said AO, not OA, is equals to 4, 0. So we're going to have 4, 0 plus OB, which is minus 2, minus 2. So that'll give us 4 plus minus 2. That is 4 plus minus 2. 4 plus minus 2. 0 plus minus 2. That is 0 plus, okay, let me just write it full. 0 plus minus 2. So that'll give us 4 plus minus 2 is give us 2. 0 plus that will give us minus 2. The same answer. So it's better you follow the first one because that is more simpler than this. So we're having 2 and comma minus 2. So let's look at this. Okay, if OB is equals to minus 2 and BC, okay, not BC, and OC is equals to minus 1, 4. Minus 1, 4. Find BC. Well, BC will be equal to what? I already told you that BC will be equal to C minus B. The last one minus the first one. So that'll give us this is C and this is B. That'll give us that'll be equal to C is minus 1 and 4 minus B is minus 2 minus 2. So that'll give us minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. That is minus will give us plus 2. Then I'll go to our 4 here. We have 4 minus give us plus 2. So that's going to give us 1 plus, okay, minus 1 plus 2. That gives us plus 1. Then the 4 plus 2. That gives us 6. So the answer will be 1 and 6. That's what I'm going to have. We have 1 and 6. That is the answer. 1 and 6. So please take note of that. So 1,6. So we will continue in our next class. Thank you.